Okay, so namaskar everyone. And today, like yesterday, we have done seen about the force and motion. Today we have like wave and grade 10, which comes under science. So see here, today is this numerical is basically from light. So if you will pay a little bit of attention, because this chapter is too easy. So even if little bit of attention is more than enough, so basically when you start reading any question, so read it properly, and the entire thing, the entire answer is given in the question only. Now because I have already written it to save the time, see here, a ray of light in air strikes a glass slab. So suppose there is a glass slab, okay, at an angle of incidence 20 degree, okay. So this 20 degree is an angle of incidence, which is denoted by I, okay. And find the angle of refraction, not reflection. There is a huge difference between reflection and refraction, okay, refraction. So now here it is saying refraction in glass. And now see here mu g. We all know that what is the value of mu. I will also dedicate another video on that. So this is mu g, and mu g means the refractive index. Now mu g equals to 1.5. So that is the data which is given to us, right? So okay, see here. So now here 1.5 is given. Now solution, here the angle of incidence is always represented by I, okay. Whenever, like suppose if you don't want to write this all, and you just simply, if you do not have a time and you are in the rush, so you can simply put this I also, so it won't be wrong, okay. So now this I equal to 20 degree, okay. Refractive index of glass mu equals to 1.5. From where this data I have taken? See, from here this data came directly to here. See here, I have taken this data from here. This is just a substitution method. Just put it from there to here. That is all. Nothing, not a big deal. Okay. Now see here, angle of refraction R. So as the question is saying, find the angle of refraction in glass. Okay. So now the angle of refraction R equals to what? Now moving to the, because we all know that is why we write it. We know that from Snell's law. Okay. So from Snell's law, because it is a formula from Snell's law. So from Snell's law, we know that the formula is mu equals to sine I by sine R. Now this is the formula. There is nothing anything special. This you have to memorize it, and if you understood, then no need to memorize. Another thing is that this is 1.5. See, 1.5. So the mu value, now mu value 1.5, mu value 1.5, 1.5, and so substituting this value to here. So this is 1.5 sine I by sine R. So sine I, what is the value of I? See, I equal to 20 degree. So sine 20 degree, okay. Sine R, what is the value of R? The value of R is what? We have to find this out. So we will just write sine R here only. So we will not do anything. Now see here, coming to here, now the same thing. Now this sine R, see, now when we will cross multiply, this sine R will go there, and so if there is nothing, there is a 1, so we can crisscross it, cross multiply it. So see here, after doing so, sine R equals to sine 20, okay, and here it is, oh come on, so it is like sine R, so it is sine R, okay, sine 20 by, sorry, it is 1.5 here. So now this data will go back here, isn't it? So now here it was not 1, actually it was 1.5. So now see the R only. If I will take this only R value, so if I will keep R here, so this sign will go in the divide, and when that because of the indices rule, it will become sine inverse and this value. So again the calculator work. So the moment after dividing this all, the value of sine inverse will come like this. So now when you will do in the calculator by shifting the shift, when you press shift and there will be sine inverse, so sine inverse, and then if you calculate, then the value will be 13.8 degree. Now this 13.18 is our the angle of refraction in glass, which is 13.18 degree, right? So now here it is a watt, so now this watt will be like 13.8. That is all for today, and see you in the next video.